If you're over 60 and drinking beet juice for circulation, there's a very good chance it's not working the way you think it is. Not because beet juice is ineffective. In fact, beet juice is one of the most powerful natural drinks for supporting blood flow. But after age 65, your body changes in ways that quietly reduce how efficiently beet juice works inside your system. That can lead to cold feet, numb hands, heavy legs, and circulation that just doesn't feel the same anymore. Today, I'm going to show you 6 powerful ingredients you can add to beet juice to help support better circulation naturally. And the number 1 ingredient is something most people throw away without realizing how valuable it is. Before we begin, leave a comment with your age and tell me if you're currently drinking beet juice. Now let's get started. Number 6 is fresh lemon juice. This may sound simple, but it's incredibly important. Beet juice helps your body produce nitric oxide, the molecule that relaxes blood vessels and supports healthy circulation. But that process depends on stomach acid. And after age 65, stomach acid levels naturally decline. That means your body may not be converting beet juice efficiently anymore. Fresh lemon juice provides acidity and vitamin C, which help support that conversion process. Simply squeeze 1 whole lemon into your beet juice right before drinking it. Small change, big difference. Number 5 is raw garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin that helps support nitric oxide production. Think of beet juice as the fuel and garlic as the ingredient that helps remove the brake. As we age, the body naturally produces more compounds that interfere with circulation. Garlic may help counter that process. The key is preparation. Crush 1 or 2 cloves of raw garlic and let them sit for about 10 minutes before adding them to your juice. That resting time activates the beneficial compounds. Number 4 is raw cacao powder, not sweetened cocoa mix. Raw cacao. Raw cacao contains flavonols that help support the lining of blood vessels. And here's why that's important. Beet juice and cacao work through different pathways. Beet juice helps provide the raw materials for nitric oxide. Cacao helps your blood vessels respond more effectively. Together, they create a much stronger circulation supporting effect. Use 1 tablespoon of raw, unsweetened cacao powder. And avoid Dutch processed cocoa because it loses many of its beneficial compounds during processing. Number 3 is fresh ginger root. As we age, blood circulation through tiny capillaries becomes less efficient. Ginger helps support smoother blood flow. Think of it this way. Beet juice helps widen the blood vessels. Ginger helps the blood move through them more easily. Fresh ginger works best. Grate about 1 inch of fresh ginger directly into your blend. And, if possible, drink your beet juice before a short walk. Even 10 minutes of movement may help support circulation even more. Number 2 is L-arginine powder. L-arginine is one of the main building blocks your body uses to produce nitric oxide. The problem is that as we age, the body becomes less efficient at recycling it. So even if you're drinking beet juice every day, your body may still not have enough raw material available. Adding 3 to 5 grams of unflavored L-arginine powder may help support that pathway naturally, especially when combined with the other ingredients we've discussed. And now, number 1, the ingredient most people throw away: beet greens, the leafy tops attached to fresh beets. These greens contain high levels of betaine, a natural compound that helps support blood vessel health. This is one of the biggest missing pieces for many older adults. The other ingredients help your body produce nitric oxide, but beet greens help support the health of the blood vessel walls themselves. In other words, you're not just improving blood flow, you're helping create a healthier environment for circulation overall. Blend the greens from 2 or 3 fresh beets directly into your drink. And if fresh greens aren't available, beet green powder is another option. So here's the complete circulation support blend: beet juice, fresh lemon juice, raw garlic, raw cacao powder, fresh ginger, L-arginine, and beet greens. Multiple circulation support pathways working together in one simple daily drink. And remember, this is not a replacement for medical care, especially if you take blood pressure medication or blood thinners. always speak with your healthcare provider before making major dietary changes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more health content focused specifically on adults over 60. And, in the comments, tell me which ingredient surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.